I'm pretty kind of convinced that Islamic radicalism is dangerous, But it's not only that. In a more general sense, religious fanaticism is responsible for a lot of problems in the world right now. It's not only Islam. If you live, as I do, in the United States, you see the consequences of Christian religious extremism. Evangelical Christianity is very much behind the whole reversal of abortion law. And then there's an Indian general election taking place right now. But the ruling party is very much influenced by an ideology of Hindu nationalism at the expense of other groups in the country. Because even though obviously India is a primarily Hindu country, 15% of the population is not Hindu. And 15% of more than 1 billion people is a lot of people. And the founding idea of the country was that the idea that's enshrined in the Constitution is secularism, because it was thought that to secularize the country was the best way of avoiding communal disputes and trouble between the religions. And this government is trying to reverse that. And that, in my view, makes the likelihood of trouble between people of different faiths more likely. And so, I think we live in an age where religious ideology have staged a kind of resurgence in many different religions. People think that Buddhism is really peaceful, but in what used to be called Burma, we see Buddhist priests carrying out acts of violence. So it's a global problem.